the School of Commerce organized an international conference on Commerce and Management in the Digital Age, Trends, Challenges and Innovations, on January 5 and 6, 2024. We were fortunate to welcome numerous speakers of international acclaim hailing from every corner of the globe. The conference commenced with an inaugural ceremony. Dr. A. Martin David, Vice Principal and Head, School of Commerce, welcomed the gathering. Our Principal and Secretary unveiled the book, presented the conference proceedings to the dignitaries. Dr. M. Davamani Christober, Principal and Secretary, delivered the presidential address. Renowned expert Professor Dr. Nagalingam Nagendra Kumar, Dean of SLIIT Northern Uni from Jaffna, Sri Lanka, set the tone for the conference by providing insights into the evolving landscape of commerce and management. He highlighted crucial considerations and actions needed to navigate and thrive in this transformative era. Professor Dr. Firdaus Rahman Khan, Adjunct Professor at STIA Abdul Haris College in Makassar, Indonesia, delivered the keynote address. He shed light on the challenges encountered in academic research across various fields. Distinguished panelists engaged in a dynamic conversation exploring the dynamic landscape of challenges and opportunities arising from the escalating pace of digitalization. The conference garnered an overwhelming response, receiving approximately 153 research papers and attracting over 300 participants. Delegates from diverse regions, both nationally and globally, shared their research papers. Distinguished researchers from across borders, including Iraq and Oman, contributed their valuable insights. It served as a dynamic platform, bringing together a diverse array of research contributions across India, to mention a few, from Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Nagaland, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal, providing a comprehensive national perspective.
Research papers were presented across diverse tracks in both online and offline mode during the conference sessions.
The cultural performance by our students served as a refreshing and energizing break. Our students exhibited the richness of culture through a vibrant display of their talents. The second day of the conference started with plenary session 2. Mrs. Amina Nirza, a renowned expert in the field of information technology, led the session and shared insights on how business analytics and digital transformation are shaping the future of organizations. Mr. Nagarajan Suresh Babu, senior lecturer from the University of Papua New Guinea, graced us with his profound, insightful presentation on the captivating topic of reshaping the workforce for Industry 5.0. Plenary Session 3 focused on quality management for a new paradigm, and was led by Dr. Yob Lingu, the Director of Quality Assurance at DMI St. John the Baptist University in Lilongwe, Malawi,